Okay, I messed up really bad. I forgot my power bank, my drone charger, my drone remote, my GoPro battery. Everything is forgotten right there at the security clearance in Chennai, and now the plane moves. So this is going to be practically my last clip. I will not have any entrance clip to Colombo, and I'm kind of like in a messed up day today. Like what's all happened today. They say they'll put it in the next flight, so fingers crossed, and let's hope I get it.
If you want to eat, you can eat.
No, eating. Hey, good morning. Yeah. Holy Jesus. Like the baby is the cutest thing ever.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries. And now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
Hi, so I've just crossed everything. I picked myself through a Pick Me booking app. I'm here with Dinushan. Hi buddy, what's up? Hey. How are you, brother? Hey. So this is Kashyap, and we met in Chennai. You will see him in the Chennai vlog. Okay, hi, we caught the train finally. Here we have to run. It's 5:05. Supposed to leave at 5, it hasn't left yet. And we're going to this place called Kandy, and it's going to be great. Wow guys, we reached Elephant Bay after a pretty crickety train ride. It was the shittiest ride. I just hope they accept Bitcoin. Let's try. Have you paid for it? Not yet.
No, pay on arrival.
You accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin?
Sorry?
Can I pay in Bitcoin?
You mean
I will pay for my stay in Bitcoin.
Bitcoin? No.
No, okay. This is it. This is our beautiful viewpoint. Hi. What's up, man? So the great news is the goods have reached Colombo. My battery, my drone things. So that's going to get picked up. And today we're going to go see elephants right here. They'll be somewhere here. Eggs. Potatoes. Did you order omelette? Awesome. Where are my elephants?
We are going to go see them.
No, they were supposed to come here.
Yeah, around 9 o'clock.
Hello. Wow.
Looking for people.
So he just said
Rambukkana.
Rambukkana, and this is the place to see elephants here. For the sanctuary, it's beautiful.
Sri Lanka rupee.
No Bitcoin? No.
Bitcoin?
No.
Bitcoin ka muna hirate?
Okay, thank you. How often do you see elephants cross the road?
I would like to explain you how to make a paper by elephant dung.
Okay.
You see, all these plants are elephant favorite food plant. Except this plant, they are having jackfruit and sugarcane plant also.
Okay.
The elephants are having all the leaves of the trees, but the main thing is, special thing is, all these plant include more fiber. You also want to see?
Yeah, smell it. There's no smell.
If you want to eat, you can eat.
No, eating. Hey.
Put into a tank like this and boil a day to kill germs and fungi.
Very good.
With water, we blend it 2 or 3 hours like this. Then that fiber turn into this pulp. Then that pulp we put into a frame like this and mix well with water. After filtering the water, you can see the paper here. This is the elephant poo paper.
Paper is ready?
Here.
This paper?
This here.
Oh, this is paper.
This is the paper.
See?
Then this frame we put under the sun 4 or 5 hours to dry. Those are dry frame, you see. If you want to attach it.
This is paper, man.
Here.
This?
This one also we made by this natural paper. If you want, you can see the paper also.
No way.
Yeah, touch and see.
You're practically standing in all the stuff made by poo. Yeah. The books. It's a Bitcoin? No Bitcoin?
Not yet. Not yet, but like in the future. Are you into Bitcoin?
I'll give Bitcoin.
Okay.
I'm traveling the world on Bitcoin.
Oh, you're a Bitcoin. Oh, see?
Good morning.
You come next.
Yeah. I come back.
Okay.
Ojo. Holy Jesus. Holy Jesus. Bye, brother. Like the baby is the cutest thing ever. And there you go, that's he's Bitcoinized. Ciao. Peace, first bump. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There you go, as usual, he with the Fiat helping me out. Thank you. Come into Kandy? Yeah? Sit down, convert currency. So we are in an auto now, heading to Kandy. It's all well planned by him. And it's almost 10 hours ride. Let's see how this goes. Well, we just stopped and now here we are to go see this spice garden, spice park. Herbal garden.
See the smell?
Oh wow. What is this mix of?
Aloe vera root and turmeric root. Put water and after that removing 1, 2, 3. Say God bless.
God bless. Oh my God. Oh,
Okay.
you just did it. There was no pain.
Yeah, 1 minute again.
Oh my God.
After remove, you want to put turmeric lotion, antiseptic. Why? The hair
Good,
is
it's gone.
the hair is coming from inside the skin. Now the pore is open. Can
Yes.
go bacteria inside.
Bacteria inside.
Right? Just take turmeric little and wipe it. No chance to go bacteria inside. Finish.
Yeah, it was a great. They are awesome people. You're gonna love him. You should go down and try for yourself. The different herbs, spices, oils. They'll even give you a massage. Wow, this is awesome, man. This is so good. Bon appetit. This is my rice and curry. Finally, Indian food after such a long time. I feel. Oh my God. So much and then. Bye. Yeah, this is the famous Kandy Lake. Why it is famous? Cause it's the only lake. Oh my God. You wanna play? Oh, wow, looks so pretty, bro. Our train leaves in exactly 22 minutes and we are running late as usual. Right, we are at the station. That's our train. Yeah, what's up? So we did a quick Kandy day tour. We went down to the Buddha statue, Tingu to the Tooth Relic, which was 1500 rupees. Walked around the lake, and now we're catching our train to which place is it? I always forget. Naluvoya. And we're gonna reach by 8:30. It's a hill station. And thanks to my friend Kashyap. What up, man?
Hey.
There you go. This is it. He really is my boy who accepts Bitcoin. Like, there everywhere is fiat. So I was kind of stuck in this world. Bye, Kandy.